In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar in ClickUp, giving you a visual representation of your task's status. A progress bar can be incredibly useful for tracking where each of your tasks stands, helping you and your team stay organized and on the same page. First, it's important to note that this feature is accessible to everyone within your workspace once it's set up. However, enabling the progress bar feature is something that only workspace owners or admins can do. So, if you're in that role or you can contact someone who is, you're good to go. Let's dive into the setup process. Begin by navigating to the Apps and Integrations section within ClickUp. Once there, look for the menu called All ClickApps. ClickApps are essentially customizable features that you can turn on or off in ClickUp for more control over your workspace. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Show Status Progress. When you find it, enable this feature by switching it on. After enabling, it's necessary to apply it to the specific spaces you want it to be active in. This step ensures that your team can see the progress on the tasks that matter the most. Once the feature is enabled and linked to your chosen spaces, you'll start to notice a new visual element in your task views. When you open your list view, or alternatively the board or table views, you will notice a small colored pie icon next to each of your tasks. What's amazing about this icon is that it will visually represent the progress status of the task, sort of like a mini dashboard for your tasks. It's an intuitive way to quickly grasp which tasks are in progress, which are nearly complete, and which are yet to start. When you click on one of these icons, it will open up the status menu for the task. This is where you can take further action by moving the task forward in its workflow. As you adjust a task's status, the progress visual updates automatically, ensuring that anyone viewing the task knows its current state. The nice thing about enabling a visual progress bar is that it transforms how you interact with your tasks, providing clarity and helping manage everyone's expectations. Tasks often pass through many hands, and knowing exactly what stage a task is in without having to open it can be a huge time saver. So, there you have it. Adding a progress bar in ClickUp is all about enhancing visibility and maintaining an organized workflow, which ultimately benefits your projects and productivity. We hope this guide helps you get the most out of ClickUp's capabilities. Thanks for watching,